Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about the phoneme, such in words time, tender as the initial sound, and what as the final sound. Phonemes are divided in three categories: place of articulation, voicing, and manner of articulation. When we talk about place of articulation, we refer to the parts of the vocal tract that are involved when producing the sound. As you see in the diagram, the tip of the mouth is barely touching the area right behind the upper teeth on the roof of your mouth. Call it alveolar ridge. Therefore, we say it is alveolar. Now, about voicing is when the vocal cords vibrate when you produce the sound. In this particular case, when we said voiceless, no vibration on the vocal cord. And final, manner of articulation. It refers to the air flow going through the vocal tract and how it is plosive or stopped. Why? Because you hold the air just a little bit before producing the sound and letting it out in an explosive way. That's what we call it, plosive or stop. Thank you very much. Until the next time.